Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working on your engine build and can't find assembly lube, don't worry. Today I'll show you a great alternative that might already be on your shelf, Bardahl Special Duty Oil. I was at the machine shop the other day picking up my freshly honed black, and I asked the guy, "Hey, what do I use for assembly lube if you can't get the real stuff?" And he goes, "Use Bardahl Special Duty. That stuff's thick like honey, perfect for startup." I use a syringe to pull the oil. It gives me way more control, especially when applying it to tight engine parts. The lid isn't easy to open, so I use a knife to punch holes in the lid. Then I pour just a little bit on a small plate, enough for what I'm working on. As I say, I like to use a syringe. However, you don't have to do it this way. You can use your hands or a brush, but I like keeping it clean and precise. This stuff moves like syrup and is super sticky, so take your time to fill this syringe. This oil clings to everything, and that's exactly what you want when assembling an engine. Once it touches metal, it stays there, something that won't drip off while you're working. Just a little trick that works for me. Hope it helps you in your next engine build. See you in the next one.